G-Commerce is located in Des Moines, Iowa. We have about 50 employees, not all in Des Moines, some are remote. That comprises of sales, technology development staff, as well as implementation onboarding staff as well. We just developed a new solution called Virtual Inventory Cloud, and this solution is based on the Windows Azure platform. It also includes the SQL Azure platform as well as the App Fabric code base that runs on the App Fabric platform. And that solution allows us to provide buyers with visibility into inventory that manufacturers would have on hand. Azure, in a nutshell, allows us a full feature solution from the point of our code base down to our database scenarios, and then it ties into that scale. So truly allowing us to offload some of those supporting components that we had to do in the past onto a platform that we can globally scale and grow out. The biggest difference between Windows Azure and other platforms is that it's something that we know, is something we understand, is easy for support existing technologies that we've already built and developed, and that same thought process and methodology onto that platform and hit the ground running from the beginning. We were able to take our product that we developed, brand new product, from concept to physical prototype in 90 days. The biggest thing I could tell my peers about Windows Azure is that if they have an understanding of the Microsoft stack, it's the quickest, simplest, easy step forward into getting into the cloud world. One of the biggest advantages that we see in being able to produce products under the Microsoft development stack we already know, is how can we scale that bigger, faster, stronger, and the best way we can do that is by focusing on global markets. And so Windows Azure is going to help us do that globally by porting it to other data centers around the world at a moment's notice. Windows Azure, SQL Azure, the platforms that we work under have really gave us a lot of insight into the possibilities of where we could take our products in the future. Simply because the power in processing, the ability to scale, the ability to go global is really fitting into allowing us to get the biggest return on investment while giving us the biggest impact to the market. What people need to know about cloud computing is that it's not as scary as they all think, especially if they are able to find a provider that can give them a 3 nines satisfaction. If they're able to find a provider like Microsoft in the Azure platform that's able to take and offload that infrastructure cost for them and give them a high standard of security, then it's an easy jump into cloud.